Vanakkam, I am Dr. Sri Lakshmi, Ayurvedic physician, cosmetologist and trichologist, Napsy Ayurveda and Cosmetic Clinic, Skin and Hair Care Clinic. In this video, I would like to suggest some of the home remedies for the thyroid problems. Many of the people are suffering from thyroid problems, either maybe due to hypothyroidism or hyperthyroidism. As you all know that hypo means it is less, hyper is high amount of the hormones produced by the thyroid gland. So before going to the home remedies part, let me give a brief introduction of what is this hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism, because differential diagnosis is necessary. You might be knowing by getting the blood test, the thyroid function test, but main differences in between hypo and hyperthyroidism is, in hypothyroidism it is inversely proportional to your weight, because you doesn't feel like to eat anything, hunger less, but still you will put on your weight. And in hyperthyroidism you lose your weight. Usually thyroid gland is responsible for our body metabolisms. In hypothyroidism, all our metabolisms becomes slow. Gastrointestinal movements become slow. Constipation he used to suffer. And in hyperthyroidism, all metabolisms goes fast. Heart rate is going to increase. He feel anxiety and diarrhea. In hypothyroidism, they feel constipation and depression. Hypothyroidism, decreased sweat, and in hyperthyroidism he is going to sweat more. And in hypothyroidism what happens is the nails becomes brittle, and in hyperthyroidism nails are thick and flaky. And in hypothyroidism what happens, puffy face and muscles and joint pains he feels. And in hyperthyroidism, eyes, around eyes, puffiness you can observe, and muscles becomes weak. And common factors in both conditions are, in hypo and hyper, are you are feeling sleeplessness, fatigue and hair loss. These three symptoms are common in both condition: sleeplessness, hair loss and the fatigue, because hair also need the same minerals, zinc, selenium, B12 and vitamin D, like our thyroid gland, because our thyroid gland also needs these 4 vitamins. In hyperthyroidism, one should avoid cheese, eggs, yogurt, milk and dairy products. Avoid iodine rich foods and sea fish, crabs, etc. one should avoid in hyperthyroidism. In hypothyroidism, avoid groundnuts, soya beans, methi, cabbage, maize, sweet potato, etc. And one should take iodized salt in the hypothyroidism. Regular exercises must ensure, and you have to avoid all junk food. And if you are suffering from hypothyroidism, you have to take iodized salt, means salt intake you can increase. If you are suffering from hyperthyroidism, cut off all the salt in your food. And you have to take sugar free diet and gluten free diet. And as I said earlier, supplements, selenium supplements, zinc and vitamin supplements is necessary. And next, probiotics like curd, cheese, apple cider vinegar, because probiotics are play a very important role in maintaining your gastrointestinal health. Gut health is maintained by this probiotics. Suffering from hypothyroidism, by following these home remedies at your home, you can gradually decrease the doses of your main thyroid drug, because it will show so many side effects. You are going to get hormonal issues in your future by using this thyroid medication. You follow all these home remedies and gradually try to decrease the doses of main drug. Okay. Now let us move on to the home remedies for hypothyroidism. Now the first one is coconut oil. Coconut oil contains high saturated fat and contains medium chain fatty acids. In non-heated form, if you take the coconut oil, it will increase your body metabolism and it maintains your body temperature. The second one is apple cider vinegar. In corona time, everybody used to take apple cider vinegar because it is very useful in the sore throat also. It also increases the metabolism, our body metabolism, and it alkalines our body. By consuming this apple cider vinegar, all the toxins in our body wash away and it helps to absorb nutrients. 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with 1 spoon honey and the water, mild warm water. Early morning with empty stomach, morning. Regularly if you follow these home remedies, definitely it is going to help your thyroid problems and you can decrease the doses of the main drug. That's why we are using home remedies here. Home remedy for hypothyroidism patients is smoothie. Take 1 cup of almonds and prepare almond milk out of it. Add 1/4 part of pineapple juice to it and 1 tablespoon of flax seeds you add to it and add banana slices. All these 4 things are very useful in the hypothyroidism. Iodine rich foods and flax seeds also contains high vitamins and omega-3 fatty acids. And next, one vegetable I forgot to tell is broccoli. It is highly rich in calcium and vitamin C, and avocado also. Green tea is also useful in hypothyroidism. The 4th home remedy is take horse gram, that is kulatta in Sanskrit we used to call ulavalu. Take horse gram, kulatti ki dal 100 grams and 50 grams of black sesame seeds and add 25 grams of garlic paste to this. Add 1 liter of water and boil till it reduces to 200 ml. Take this kashayam morning and evening BD, that is 2 times in a day. It is going to stimulate your thyroid gland. And next, 5th home remedy is 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds take and make it a powder. Add sufficient water to this and add around 10 grams of garlic paste. Mix all these ingredients and this paste you have to apply on a gauze piece or any cloth, thin cloth. You have to apply over the thyroid gland. It reduces the pain in thyroiditis. If you are having any inflammation like that, it will reduce. Alternate days you follow this procedure. Definitely you are going to get more side effects due to allopathic thyroid medication. So you approach an Ayurvedic doctor and ask related questions. They can guide you and you can change your lifestyle by regular exercises and avoiding junk food and practicing yogasanas and meditation. So due to thyroid medication, so you will get hormonal issues, many side effects, depression. So try to avoid those. If you like this video, please subscribe and share.